In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use color schemes in Shopify. 2025 tutorial for Dawn, Horizon, and more. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your theme color settings, how to edit each part of a scheme, and how to save your changes confidently. First, head to your Shopify admin and open Online Store, then Themes. On the Themes page, find your live theme and click Edit Theme or Customize. This opens the theme editor, which is where all your visual settings live. On the left sidebar, look for Theme Settings, then click Colors. This is the control center for your color schemes. In themes like Dawn, Horizon, and many others, you'll see a list of schemes. Think of each one as a reusable palette you can apply to different sections of your store. Select a scheme from the list to start editing. You'll see a series of color controls. Background Gradient lets you apply a gradient behind sections. If you use it, keep it subtle so it doesn't fight your content. Background sets a solid color. If a gradient is active, that takes priority. So pick a solid color that harmonizes with your gradient or stands well on its own. Next, set text. Prioritize readability. Aim for strong contrast between text and background, dark text on a light background or vice versa. A quick rule of thumb: if it looks faint, it probably isn't accessible enough. Now refine your buttons. Solid button background controls the fill color for primary buttons. Choose your brand's main action color here. Solid button label sets the text color on those buttons. Make sure it pops. White text on a bold color often works well. Outline button adjusts the color for secondary buttons that have an outline instead of a fill. Keep these complementary but quieter than your primary buttons, so your main calls to action stand out. Shadow controls the color used for subtle depth effects like card or button shadows. A near black with low opacity typically feels natural and avoids harsh edges. If your theme offers multiple schemes, you can switch to another scheme in the list and repeat the same adjustments. That way you can have, for example, a light scheme for most sections and a darker scheme for the footer. Remember, you apply schemes to sections inside the editor when customizing each section's settings, so having a few polished schemes ready gives you flexibility across the site. When everything looks right, click Save in the top corner. Give the store a quick preview on desktop and mobile to confirm contrast, button visibility, and overall balance. If something feels off, you can return to Colors, tweak the scheme, and save again. That's it. You've set up Shopify color schemes like a pro.